Welcome everyone, I'm Jason from Genesis Marketing Consultants and today I will show you how to create a new page in WordPress. We use Elementor as our preferred web builder. It allows us to have more control when editing the pages. In the WordPress dashboard you will see pages in the left-hand side menu. Once this is selected you will be able to view all the current pages available in your website. In the top left-hand corner click New Page button. We are now taken to the page creation section. Here we can add the page title, see how it will be displayed in a search engine, add your meta description and keywords for SEO. On the right-hand side menu you can add or edit your permalinks, featured image etc. Now it is time to publish the page. You will now see your page in the Pages section, where you can edit or edit with Elementor. Selecting Edit takes you to your page information. Here you can build your page by editing with Elementor. You can see our new blank with the theme header and footer already installed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials.